I'm playing Offroad Outlaws today. I haven't played this game in forever, but I figured I'd give her a shot. And by looking at the truck here, you can tell I'm gonna be trying to build the green truck in here. And yeah, this been so long. I usually never play games, but I figured truck content and truck wise stuff would be kind of fun to do. Something new. So let's see how. Let's jump right into it. I don't need a dealer. Alright. Body. Front bumper. I don't have any aftermarket bumper on it. Fender. Don't have flares. Well, I do have flares, but stock looks better. Rear bumper. Stock. No, there's a roll pan on it. Bed type. Flatbed. Nah. She's got a bed. No, none of that rack, roll cage stuff. Running boards. Oh, I have those ugly ones. Those ones with... Nah. I have a light bar. I do have a light bar. Snorkel, no. Spare wheels, no. Ah, heck, let's put the bull horns on it. Windshield protection, no. Front lights. I don't have a front light bar. Get rid of that. Jack. Oh, I don't have a winch, no. Look at the next category. Exhaust pipe. I basically have the basics straight out the sides. I have basically that, but I don't have big old tippies on it. You know what? Let's do what I bought. I'll do straight out the back. I'll do straight out the back. That looks better. If you watch the video, I put bright LEDs on it, so that's about right. Just like a contact fit now. Mirrors. I haul with it. I tow with it a lot, so I should probably put tow mirrors on it. That doesn't look too bad. But I'll leave them like that for now. Flags. Paint. I'll go glossy. My truck windows aren't that tinted, so. Oh, that is. I was tinting it. Whoops. Get back here. There we go. They're about medium smoked. And the main color is dark blue, green. Well, I think it's about like that. Yeah, that's the base color, and then I have that like matte. No, that's about matte like that. Anyway, that glossy. Heck, I'll just do matte. That looks nice. Then I gotta do that stripe in the middle. The yellowish green decals, shapes. Oh, this is crazy. I haven't made anything in this game in forever. How life. Alright, so let me like rectangle lines. Come on. Come on, stupid game, let's go. You fucking idiot. Alright. How do I stretch this? Alright. Now we're back. Yeah, this literally took me way too long to figure out how to maneuver this stuff around. But yeah, it looks like I got the color down pretty well. I know the back doesn't look the best, but it's pretty much a good general idea of what it looks like. Alright, I'll buy that. I'll come back out here. Change the tires. No, I don't have big mud wraps like that. No. I got like your basic ones. Sweet. Highway tires, huh? You know what? This for this, I will do. I don't know. I'll just leave those ones for now. So I'll add the rims real quick. That's kind of like what they are. Make them black ones. And not chrome. Make them glossy black. No, they're like that. Wish I could do like a... That's kind of like what they are. I know they're not that wide. Do some of that. Go to the back. Make them black too. About the same. It's back out. Oh no, that looks pretty good. Wheels really ain't that big, but it looks fine. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Like the suspension. I wish you had that good of flex suspension. Eventually. Drop. Just how to brake your truck. One. Gonna whistle and diesel it. Just kidding. Dyno it? Nah. For the most part, that's pretty much it. Yeah, it looks pretty dang well close to it. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. And then next video, if you guys like more of this stuff, let me know, because I could probably do a majority of my trucks, well, at least mine and this one and the diesel at least. But let me know how you guys like this. I know it's not usually my original stuff, but let me know how you like it, or let me know what truck to do next. I know I could probably do the diesel next, because there's a cat eye right here, so I could probably do it. But let me know what you guys think, and I'll see y'all in the next one.